Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today we have the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and we're going to be doing the ultimate camera review. I'm talking about a comparison with ultra wide GoPro, super zoom FZ80, and we also have filming right now the A7S III. Who has the best camera in the world? We're about to find out right now. So which one should we do first? First, we're going to go on the beach and find some nice things we can film. GoPro versus the Samsung S22.
Right now we're on the GoPro and the S22 Ultra to check out how ultra wide it can be. Woo! Just check out this beautiful beach, the surface paradise, the sun is out, the skies are blue, the sand is yellow, and there is lots of debris on the floor because we've just had some flooding recently.
Right, that was the ultra wide. What do you think? Which one was better? I think the quality of the S22 is better than GoPro. GoPro! Yes! What is wrong with you? Of course, one of the cool things about the GoPro is you can get stupid attachments put on your head and you look really stupid when doing it. But you can actually do that with a phone. A lot heavier, a lot more RF, but it's still possible. Now, the other good thing about GoPro is that it is kind of waterproof, except if you want to use a microphone. As soon as you use a microphone, it's no longer waterproof. Whereas this bad boy is waterproof. But of course, don't really know what to say, but it's over. We're just giving you an example of what a selfie camera looks like. All right, so we now got the iPhone 11 Pro, and this is a really good camera. I tested it out against the 13 Pro, and it was actually better in daytime. And we're in daytime right now. We've got the S22 Ultra. We're gonna be doing front facing, and we're gonna be doing the back, the zoom, the awesomeness, and the wetness. Woo! Right here, we're in selfie camera, and we got waves. They're gonna come at us, and as soon as it comes, we gotta run.
Coming is the big one, it's ferocious.
Okay, we got done. We got done. We got done. We got done. We got done.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! 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 No!
This camera got 100x digital zoom. 100x. Obviously, when it's digital, it doesn't look so good, but it still looks pretty good when it's like 30x. So we're going to be comparing it against the best, well, the cheapest, most economical and best FZ camera I've used. I'm still using this camera. It's got 60x optical zoom, and it goes double that when you do digital zoom. So we're going to be comparing the zoom for this beach moments. You want to be using a zoom camera on the beach, don't you? I know you guys and girls. I know you're up to on the beach with your drones. We're going to be doing it with a super zoom. Let's see who we can zoom into. S22 looks gorgeous, beautiful. This is the FZ. We've got a beautiful friend down there. Now let's check out the waves, 10x zoom as well. Let's try zooming right into it. And you can see the waves are crashing down. Just gonna air block it. And the waves are crashing down. Looks gorgeous and nice. And that's what the waves look like here. The good thing about the Samsung S22 is you don't need to press that AF lock button. The AF button, it just automatically autofocuses in. And let's try the big building far away. I'm gonna see if I can zoom into it. Let's see how good we can go. All the way to the top. Now we're doing digital zoom. All the way to the top here, I can see the belt. And it's a bit shaky, but that's the kind of quality level you're getting from the FZ. All the way 10x zoom. You can get closer and you can put some digital post-processing at the end of it. However, I'm going to take a picture, 100x zoom, to show you how zoom in I can go. We went all the way in, looks good. And one more shot of the beautiful lady. She's looking nice. Hello. Looking good. You can come back now. All right, guys, super zoom challenge has been completed. Good thing about the S22 is autofocus was autofocusing away. The bad thing is it can only do 10x zoom on video, but you can always, post-process it afterwards. But now it's time to do the real challenge. This is the A7S $5,000+ camera. Ultra wide, beautiful lens. We're gonna be doing the S22 versus the ultimate camera. Who's gonna win? This guy can do 8K. This guy can do 4K. So we're doing 4K versus 8K. Who's gonna win? Wow, which one? Look. So that was it. A7S, GoPro, ultra zoom, ultra wide, all the tests done. And in the last area, it was actually shaded. And we also threw in a nighttime test. All right, it's nighttime. As you can see, selfie camera, it's pitch black. So it's probably useless right now. I am a ghost. I am the ghost of, ooh. That camera, you are very, very dark. Ultra wide, you are just blackness. One thing it is all right at is the photo mode. Like the video's really rubbish, but if I take a picture right now, it actually turns out all right. So that's one thing to know. Amazing.
Amazing.
What do you think of mobile phone cameras? Well, I got a bonus one for you on the way out, just because you stayed so long to tune in. We got the S7 versus S22. We're doing like primitive technology versus real life technology. Gonna throw it up right now. S7 versus S22 bonus content for you guys. You know, I don't think there's that big of a difference.
There may not be actually.
Yeah, I look nice, probably nicer on.
You look more natural coloured. Like they definitely added more colour onto the S22.
Sure, which is the real me. Definitely paler on the left.
Dude,
Oh, that's cool.
orange on the right. What do you guys think?
I think I might just keep the old one, you know? At least when I drop it, I don't need to worry because it's already cracked.
You're crazy. Go on, drop the other one.
No, I'm not dropping this one, never. This one I can drop, this one I can't drop.
The beach is closed today because of dangerous conditions.
We are on a mission. We're gonna go in there to the danger zone to find out who has the ultimate camera. We've got to get in there.
Let's do it. Let's do
Doing it. Risking our lives for you guys.